Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to import MKV files into your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, we have our MKV file right here. And if we try to import this into our project in Premiere Pro, this is what would happen right here. As you can see, it says file import failure. So we cannot import it into our timeline. So what we can do in order for us to solve this problem is very, very simple. All we have to do is go into our browser right here, go into our browser, and we're going to go for freeconvert.com, go to this website right there. And this is a website that converts your file for free, absolutely for free. And then all you have to do is simply drag your file right here and just drop it here into the website right there. And now we have it right here. So now we're going to go and select the output into MP4 if you'd want to, or you can also go for AVI if you'd want to, but in my case, I'll just go for MP4 right here. So it would be converted from MKV to MP4 and click on convert. And it will be really, really fast in uploading this, and you can upload as many as you want right here. And that is what makes this site so good, and it works so fast right here. However, if you have seen other videos, all they say to you is that you can just rename your file right here. So rename, and you can add that AVI right there, and it would work when you import it into your Premiere Pro. But this doesn't work in all cases. It only works for certain videos. And yeah, and now that our video is now finished converting, we can now click on download right there. And now we can download it just like this one right here. And now we can go back into Premiere Pro once it's done loading, and we can just simply drag it down right now, just like that. And as you can see, we can now import our video right here, just as easy as that. So that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.